Accidents, an overview and the role of prevention. Accidents are unfortunate incidents that occur unexpectedly and cause harm or damage. They can take place in various contexts, such as at home, at work, on the road, or even during recreational activities. No matter where they happen, the consequences of accidents can be traumatic, leading to physical injuries, emotional distress, property damage, or even loss of life. Types of accidents. Road accidents. These are among the most common accidents we hear about. With the increasing number of vehicles on the road and the fast-paced life people lead, the chances of accidents occurring have surged. Accidents can involve cars, motorcycles, bicycles, pedestrians, and even large vehicles like buses and lorries. Home accidents. Our homes might feel like the safest places, but a large number of accidents occur there. These can range from minor incidents like cutting oneself while cooking, tripping over a toy, to major ones like falls from heights or electrical mishaps. Workplace accidents. Depending on the nature of work, some jobs have higher risks than others. Construction workers, for instance, might be at risk of falling, while those in a lab might face chemical hazards. Recreational accidents. These happen during leisure activities. Someone might get injured while playing a sport, hiking, or even swimming. Causes of accidents. Several factors contribute to accidents. Human error is a primary cause. Distractions, especially with the rise of smartphones and technology, play a significant role in road accidents. A momentary lapse in concentration, be it while driving or operating machinery, can have dire consequences. In some situations, environmental factors might be the culprits. For instance, wet or icy roads can make driving treacherous. Similarly, a spill on a supermarket floor can result in someone slipping. Equipment malfunction, though less frequent, is another cause. This could be due to a vehicle's brake failure or a defect in a home appliance. The impact of accidents. Accidents have a ripple effect, impacting not only the victim, but also their families, friends, and the community. Physically, injuries can range from minor bruises to life-altering disabilities. The emotional trauma can be equally, if not more, damaging. Anxiety, fear, and depression often accompany physical injuries, especially in severe cases. There's also an economic impact. Medical treatment, repairs, legal fees, and potential loss of income can place a hefty financial burden on the victims and their families. Prevention is better than cure. While accidents by definition are unexpected, many of them can be prevented with foresight and caution. Education and training. Knowledge is a powerful tool. By educating drivers, machinery operators, or even homeowners about potential risks and how to avoid them, the likelihood of accidents can be reduced. Regular maintenance. This is crucial, especially for vehicles and machinery. Regular checks ensure everything is in working order, minimizing the chances of malfunctions. Safety equipment. Using seat belts, helmets, safety goggles, and other protective gear can reduce the severity of injuries in case of an accident. Awareness and mindfulness. Being aware of one's surroundings and staying mindful of potential hazards is crucial. This is especially true for drivers. Avoiding distractions like texting while driving is essential. Legislation and enforcement. Governments have a role to play by enacting and enforcing safety laws. Speed limits, safety standards for equipment, and guidelines for workplaces can significantly reduce accidents. The role of first responders. In the unfortunate event of an accident, first responders play a crucial role. These include paramedics, firefighters, and police officers who are trained to handle emergencies. Their quick actions can save lives, reduce the severity of injuries, and provide comfort to victims. Conclusion. Accidents, though unfortunate, are a part of life. While we cannot predict or prevent all accidents, taking preventive measures, being informed and staying cautious can significantly reduce their occurrence. Every individual has a role to play in ensuring their safety and the safety of others. Being responsible, understanding potential hazards, and avoiding risky behaviors can go a long way in creating a safer environment for all.